This 5-minute solution will show you how to remove Instagram account from Facebook Meta Business Suite. First of all, open this URL business.facebook.com and then you will jump into Meta Business Suite page. Here, click on this drop down and select the Business Suite account where you added your Instagram account. Once done, click on Settings. Once you are in Business Account Settings page, here select Business Assets and click on Instagram Accounts. And here you will get all of your connected Instagram account. Now click on the Instagram account that you want to remove from Business Suite and click on this three dot. Click on Remove from Business Account. Click on Remove Instagram Account. Just click on Remove Instagram Account and the Instagram account will be removed from the Business Meta Suite account. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.